Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lindsay and I bring you content on clean beauty and skincare. Feeling very fall today, if you guys couldn't already tell. Really feeling this lip and this outfit combo. If you want to know all the details about my makeup, I will have it linked in the description below for you guys. Today's video is going to be a green beauty haul and some PR unboxing. I'm really excited to do this. I love opening packages, so let me hop right into it. So first off, I have a package from Shayna B Miami. This is a cruelty-free brush company. I have a couple of the other brushes that I really love. I have a post on my Instagram about them. I have like their crease brush, a shadow brush, a blender brush. They're all really nice. So they also sent me their eyebrow brush, which I'm so excited about because I've been needing a new eyebrow brush because the one I have is just like super old. It's one of those mini ones too, so it's like hard to hold. I actually already tried this. I was too excited. I opened it and I had to use it and I love it. The like brush tip isn't thick. I don't like thick brow brushes. I don't know why like all the companies make their brow brushes thick. Just like doesn't work for me because I like to get really precise. I like to do a nice outline and I feel like it's a lot easier to get like hair strokes in your brows. So I've really been loving this one. It is nice and thin and also the spoolie is really good quality. I did put this back in the package just for this unboxing video, but yeah, I really love the spoolie and how thin it is. These are really nice cruelty-free brushes. I would check out this brand if you haven't already. So they also sent over their Bake Up Beauty Sponge. I haven't tried this yet. It looks pretty good though, so I'm excited to try this. I'm always up for trying new sponges. So that was all from Shayna B Miami. Next up, I have a Good Being subscription box. They emailed me and offered to send me one of their monthly boxes and I was really interested, so of course I said yes. I did already open this as well. I did an unboxing on my Instagram. The first thing in here was this Mega Foods C Defense tangy gummies. I already ate these. They were delicious. They're vegan. I'm always down for a vegan gummy. Next up in here is this Bonnie Hydrating Hyaluronic Face Serum. I love face serums. They're my all-time favorite like skincare product to try out. I'm always down to try a new hyaluronic serum, so I'm excited to test this little bad boy out. I also love subscription boxes just because like I would save this and use it for travel if you guys travel a lot. It's also great just because you get to try a bunch of mini products and see if you like them before you buy the full size. Next in here is actually a brand I've really been wanting to try. This is Bella Aura Skincare, their Night Cellular Renewal. This is a cream. It has really good ingredients. I like this little tube it comes in too. It smells great. I've been wanting to try this brand, so I'm excited that this was included in this month's box. Next up are some products from a brand that I already love. It's Evolve. I got their Total Control Styling Cream Volume and their Smart Volume leave-in conditioner. I have tried the original of their leave-in conditioner and it's so good. It's like my favorite hair care product. If you want a leave-in conditioner but you always feel like they're really heavy on your hair, if you have thin hair, these are so great because they do a great job at hydrating but they don't weigh your hair down at all. I'm excited to try this volume one and see how it works out. I always like having volume in my hair, so I'm super excited to try these two products out and I love this brand already, so I'm sure that I will love these as well. The next thing is a Moody Sisters Spearmint and Vanilla Body Scrub. This looks really good. I always like having a body scrub because I do self-tan, so exfoliating is a must. I actually just put out a favorite self-tanner video. I'll link it below for you guys to check that out, but let's open this bad boy. This smells so good. I really love minty scents, especially like in the morning. They do a great job at waking you up. So I'm glad that this was included. I'm excited to try this out. It has peppermint castle soap, green tea hydrosol, vanilla oil, spearmint and lavender, and some sugar. So really great, simple ingredients. So that was all for this Good Being box. I also believe they're having a promotion going on right now. I think it's 20% off. I'll link it below for you guys if you're interested in checking them out. I know that they rarely have sales, so if you do want to check the subscription box out, I would do it now. So next up is this huge PR package from Bare Minerals. This is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. When I got this in the mail, I opened it immediately, like I couldn't wait for this video. It says Rescue Kit by Bare Minerals. This packaging is really cute, but this is what it looks like. So these are the new Blemish Rescue Powder Foundations, and they also sent their skin clearing primer, some wipes, and then also a brush, but I already used it so I didn't want to put it back in here. But I have tried these already and I do really like them. I'm honestly not sure what I'm going to do with all these shades. Like I do not need this many, but I like this. I believe they have salicylic acid in them. I'm not sure the percentage, but this is really good if you do have acne prone skin or you find like you get blemishes a lot. I really like the Bare Minerals powder foundations. They don't look too shimmery or too matte on my skin. I feel like they're the perfect finish. Yeah, this package was super cute and I'm so grateful to have gotten this from Bare Minerals. Next, I have 2 pink boxes from Petit Vour. One I ordered myself and one is their monthly subscription box. I will do what I ordered myself first. So I had a $50 off coupon. If you guys aren't already familiar with Petit Vour, you get 20% off back in everything you spend in a Petit Vour rewards coupon. So if you spend a certain amount, you get like a $15 coupon, $25. I had saved up and now I have a $50 coupon. So I decided to get some things that I need to repurchase and a few new goodies. So let me get into this. So the first thing I decided to pick up was this Juice Beauty Phytopigments Flawless Finishing Powder. I just ran out of my previous setting powder, so I wanted to try something new out. This looked really good. I have tried a couple things from Juice Beauty before and I've really liked them. I like their mascara. They have great cream blushes. I'll link both those below for you guys as well. But this looks really nice. It's a translucent shade. Do a little swatch on my hand. It looks really nice on my hand. It looks like it does have a little bit of shimmer to it, but not much. I'm really excited to try this out because I did need a new setting powder. Also, their packaging is just so pretty. Next up is something I need to repurchase as well. This is the Clove & Hollow Conceal and Correct. This is their concealer. I'm in the shade 02. I use this concealer all the time. I use it in basically every makeup video I've ever done, so check those makeup videos out if you want to see this in action. This is my all-time favorite concealer. It's unlike any Green Beauty concealer I've ever tried. It goes on smooth, it doesn't crease, doesn't settle into lines, it sets well. It's just such a beautiful concealer, and I also love how it comes with like a doe foot applicator. I don't really like jar concealers. I feel like they're just so much harder to use. This is a really great one and it's also affordable, so check this out if you're looking for a concealer. Next, I have another Clove & Hollow product. This is their lip cream in the shade Damsel. I actually already opened this and I used this in my previous video where I talk about self-tanners. But this is a really gorgeous red color. I'll swatch it for you guys. I didn't have like a classic red in my collection, so I really wanted to pick one up for like the fall and holiday season. That's what it looks like on my hand right there. These are so creamy and it's like crazy pigmented. This is a blue tone red, which is why I decided to pick it up because I really like how blue tone reds look on my skin tone. And I feel like it's just such a classic color. You know, everyone needs a red lipstick in their collection, and these are great formulas, also very affordable. Next, I decided to pick up 2 eyeshadows from Han Cosmetics. I love this brand. They have an amazing bronzer, amazing blushes. Totally check them out. They make some really beautiful products. They're also a very affordable brand. Clove & Hollow and Han Cosmetics are probably my top 2 brands if you're looking for affordable, clean cosmetics. I haven't tried their eyeshadows before, so I picked up the shade Golden Glow and the shade Romance. This one's just a really pretty gold color, and this is more of like a pinky bronze. I'll swatch them on my hand for you guys just so you can see the shades. They're really pigmented and creamy. They feel just like their bronzer and blush, like really great formulas. This one is Golden Glow and this one is Romance, the more pinky one. If you have medium to deep skin, these would make such a gorgeous highlight too. It wouldn't work on me because I am pretty pale. That was all that I ordered from Petit Vour myself. Now let me get into their subscription box. I just got this today, so I'm really excited to try it out. I think I've been subscribed to Petit Vour for a really long time, like before I even started my Instagram, so like they're an OG to me. I love getting their subscription box. They always have a great variety of vegan, cruelty-free, and clean products. It's also only like $18 a month, I believe, so pretty affordable for a subscription box. Ooh. The first thing on this list is an Axology lip crayon. I'm so excited because I have heard of this brand and I've been wanting to try their lip crayons forever, but I never picked one up, so I'm really excited to try this out. Let's see, it says that this ultra chic lip crayon replenishes and hydrates with a matte finish that doesn't lose its luster. The all-star ingredient, avocado butter that plumps lips and smooth wrinkles. This retails for $26. I got the shade Enduring. The packaging feels like it's like really recycled, which is cool. But let me open up and I'll swatch it for you. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like you can also twist it up. That's cool. Ooh, this feels really nice. It's like a mauve-y nude, perfect for fall. That's the shade right there. It's like a really sort of like pinky toned mauve. It's not too purpley, but it looks like it would be a really gorgeous like dark nude on me. If you do have like medium to deeper skin, that would probably be like your perfect nude. Maybe I'll include that in like my next makeup video. If you guys like to see that, definitely let me know in the comments below. Next up we have an Elverum, I think that's how you say it, bath oil. So that is this right here. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm really interested. It says this gorgeous bath and shower oil is made in the UK with organic essential oils, super concentrated and easily absorbed. This oil will quickly become your go-to. Add half a capful to your bath or massage it into your torso for a shower. That's interesting. Just as I opened it, I smelled it. It smells so good. This is what the bottle looks like. It's really cute. It smells so good and really relaxing. This would be great to use like as a nighttime bath. I don't have a bath, so unfortunately I can't do that. I will try using it in the shower though. It smells great. I'm really excited to test this out. Next up we have products from Evolve. They sent their Ultra Shine Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. The ultimate multitasker, this duo was created for all hair types, volumizing, frizz diminishing, color protecting, and anti-aging. This is the duo for super clean, ultra shiny hair. These are like the cutest little bottles. I've never tried their shampoo and conditioner like I was saying before. I have tried their leave-in conditioner, which I love. I've heard really great things about their shampoo and conditioner, so I'm glad that they sent these in the box. The last product in here is from Andalou Naturals. I love this brand. It's their Kooky, I have no idea if that's Kooky Cocoa Nourishing Body Butter. That can't be right. Maybe it is. Who knows? Rich with argan oil, Hawaiian Kooky, aloe vera, shea, and cocoa butters. This all-over body treatment pampers and protects skin's moisture barrier for irresistible softness. Andalou Naturals is a really great affordable brand. I've never tried their body butter. I did have their body lotion in like the rose scent, which I really loved. So I'm excited to try this out. I want to smell it. Put a little bit on my hand. Let's see. Ooh. It smells really light, but like a really like warm cocoa scent. It smells delicious. This is a great little size. I think I'm actually going to throw this in my purse because my hands always get super dry in the fall and winter months. So that was all for the Petitvour subscription box. I will put all the details, all the links in the description box below, so be sure to check this out. This is a really great subscription box if you guys are looking for one. They also make a really great gift. I would recommend checking Petitvour out. They're like my favorite site to shop on because you know everything is vegan and cruelty free. They make a great subscription box, so definitely check this out if you're interested. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love for you to join me. Also, don't forget to like and comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments what your favorite subscription boxes are. I love getting them, so I'm always interested in trying new ones. Comment below your faves and I'll definitely check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.